Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Usman. Today I want to tell you something in a motivational speech by Les Brown. We grow only two ways. Listen to me. You need to write this down from people and projects. As the only way we grow, people who know more than you, people who have more than you, people who have more than you, and the people who have gone through experiences and got on the other side. It's your victoriously and learn from it. People that can stretch you, people that will hold you accountable, people that will challenge you. And how are you? You grow from people and projects. When you know this is deep. When I am talking to you about that, you grow for people and projects. You can lose your job. You can be evicted from your home, but you won't be afraid because you know that you can produce it again. And you know that why? Because you know that you were born to win this world. Thank you so much.
Good.